unboxing the Blackpink Lightstick since I am going to the concert. And it came with a choice music card. Hold up, let me get my sleeves back a second. I got my sleeve basket. So let's take it out. One, two, three. Oh, we got Lisa. She is so pretty. Alright, so let's open. I got some random batteries since it didn't really say what batteries to get. So, oh, it has Blackpink up here too. So, wait, does it got open? Okay, got it. Woo! All the sides say like Blink. Okay, Bluetooth. Ooh. Okay. I think that's, hold on, I'm taking this off. That's nice thing. Woo! Ooh. Wow. That was violent. Okay, well, anyways. Alright. So we got the Lightstick out. Alrighty. So, it's so pretty. So here's the Lightstick. Squishy. Alright. It does not work right now. Okay, quick guide. Oh, I don't think I got the right batteries. I don't think I got the right batteries. Anyway, so here's the strap it comes with. Pretty. It's like Blackpink. Hold up. I don't think I got the right batteries. No, I didn't get the right batteries. No, wait. Hold up. Alrighty. I got the batteries in. Alright, so I'm gonna close my door. Wait, hold up. Okay, so it can connect to Bluetooth, but I'm not gonna do that right now. So flash warning, by the way, guys. Flash warning. Oh. Wow, so pretty. Wow. Oh, wow, it's like an ombre. Then this intense flashing. Wow. Pretty. So that was my unboxing of the Blackpink Lightstick. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.